Deactivating your Twitter account on PC is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps. Begin by clicking on the More icon located on your Twitter account. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Navigate to the Your Account tab and locate the option to deactivate your account. Click on Deactivate Your Account to initiate the deactivation process. Take a moment to review the account deactivation information provided. Once you're ready, click on the Deactivate button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your password as a security measure. Follow the instructions, enter your password, and confirm your decision to deactivate the account by clicking the Deactivate Account button. By following these steps, you can easily deactivate your Twitter account on PC. This process ensures that your account is temporarily suspended and can be reactivated in the future if needed. Prioritize your online presence by understanding how to deactivate your Twitter account when necessary. Take control of your digital footprint with this simple deactivation guide.